Itong gingivitis at periodontitis, ano po ang kaugnayan ng gum disease sa pagkakaroon? Kanina sabi mo, pwedeng maapektuhan ang ating puso. Pwede kang magkaroon ng heart problem or ma-stroke.
Hoy, matindi yan, Miss Cheryl, ha? Ipapaliwanag natin yan by showing them a picture of number 5 and some of the studies done by doctors and researchers nationwide or worldwide. Ito makikita po ninyo, may stages kasi. Kung kailan nakakaapekto na ang pagkabulok ng ating ngipin, apektado ang gilagid to a heart condition. Sa picture number 6, ipapakita po natin ang pag-aaral na ginawa po ng mga doctors and dentists on this. Sa next picture dito po ay gum disease is showing that it is the most common chronic inflammatory condition in the world. Sabi nga ni Ms. Cheryl, 8 out of 10 in the world. Ayan, di ba? Sabi nitong doctor na to, si Ryan says, it becomes a portal of entry ng infection going inside our body. Wow, portal of entry yan. So sa picture number 7, makikita natin how it enters our bloodstream. Ipakita po natin dito na doon sa arrow na yan, makikita nyo yung arrow on the right, the gum resides, at yung gum na nagre-reside na yan is where the bacteria can set in. Anong bacteria yon? Nasa picture number 8 naman natin. Ayan, sinasabi ng University School of Dental Medicine na ang ongoing inflammation in the mouth allow this bacteria to enter the bloodstream, which may result in more inflammation, hindi lang sa gums natin, kundi in the circulation, including the heart. At ang tawag sa inflammation of the heart is myocarditis, Ms. Cheryl.